Have you ever observed how occasionally circumstances seem to effortlessly fall into place in your life? Or perhaps you've witnessed the realization of your deepest desires without even exerting effort? Well, the answer to these inquiries lies in the law of assumption. Welcome back to our channel, where today we will explore an often overlooked yet immensely powerful topic: the secret of the law of assumption. The law of assumption is a universal principle stating that what one assumes to be true will inevitably become a reality. This implies that our thoughts and beliefs hold substantial influence over our lives, shaping our experiences and determining the outcomes we encounter. Operating at a deep subconscious level, the law of assumption profoundly influences our thoughts, behaviors, and ultimately, our reality. It is a potent force that can profoundly shape our lives. In this video, we will delve into how you can harness the power of assumption to manifest your dreams. Self-surrender plays a crucial role in the law of assumption. To fully embrace the power of this principle, one must relinquish control over their life and acknowledge their dependence on a higher power. This declaration of personal incapacitation is essential for realizing the law of assumption's full potential, as it frees one from mental limitations and restrictions that hinder the manifestation of their desires. By surrendering control, individuals attain a state of peace and tranquility, unburdened by the stress and anxiety of trying to control their circumstances. To comprehend the principle of assumption, let's consider the example of magnetism. Just as you cannot create magnetism, but can display it, the same applies to the law of assumption. You cannot create or control the law itself, but you can align yourself with it and surrender to its power. Operating similarly to the laws of magnetism, the law of assumption is a fundamental aspect of human mind function. Its influence is undeniable and cannot be manipulated by individuals. It operates independently of one's will and must be respected as a guiding principle in the functioning of the human mind. Our assumptions, whether conscious or unconscious, shape our experiences and beliefs, playing a critical role in shaping our reality. Consciously utilizing the power of assumption is of utmost importance. To truly embody your desires, you must align yourself with them and surrender to the sensations associated with their manifestation. By fully immersing yourself in the energy of your desire, you open the door to its manifestation in the physical realm. Let's take a simple example to grasp this concept. Suppose you have always wanted to start your own business but have been hindered by the fear of failure. By assuming the reality of your desire, you can begin to overcome this fear. Imagine yourself successfully running your own business. Envision the satisfaction you feel as it grows and prospers. Visualize yourself surrounded by happy customers, and imagine the feeling of financial independence that accompanies success. By immersing yourself in this vision, you activate the power of the law of assumption. Your subconscious mind starts working towards making your assumption a reality, and you begin noticing opportunities and ideas for starting your business that you may have previously overlooked. By aligning yourself with your desire and surrendering to its power, you can transform your dream into a reality. By becoming an ardent devotee and advocate of your desire, you invite its manifestation into your life. You must believe in your desire and surrender to its power, releasing any doubts or fears that might hinder its manifestation. Only then can you rise up as a prophet of the law of assumption and bring your desires to life. Surrender is an essential part of the law of assumption, as it helps release negative thoughts, beliefs, or limitations that impede the manifestation of your desires. It involves letting go of the need to control and manipulate your reality, resulting in a state of peace and calm, freeing you from the stress and anxiety often associated with pursuing your desires. Furthermore, surrendering to the power of assumption allows you to tap into the infinite wisdom and power of the universe. This higher power knows the path to manifesting your desires and can guide you towards their realization. By surrendering to this power, you open yourself up to the opportunities and circumstances that will help you achieve your goals. The act of surrendering to the law of assumption is crucial for realizing its full potential and manifesting your desires. It may be challenging for many people, but it is essential for unlocking the power of the law. Here are key steps to help you understand the process of surrendering to the law of assumption. Acknowledge the limitations of your control. Recognize that you cannot control everything in your life. Some aspects, such as the thoughts and beliefs of others, external circumstances, and the functioning of the universe, are beyond your control. By acknowledging these limitations, you can release yourself from the stress and anxiety of trying to manipulate them and surrender to the flow of life. Let go of your attachment to outcomes. Release the need to control the outcome of any situation and trust that the universe will provide what you need. By letting go of your attachment to outcomes, you free yourself from the stress and pressure of trying to control your circumstances and align yourself with the natural flow of life. Trust in a higher power. Surrendering requires a strong belief in a higher power or universal consciousness. By placing your trust in this higher power, you free yourself from the burden of control and allow yourself to surrender to the law of assumption. Practice mindfulness and presence. Surrendering also involves focusing on the present moment and being aware of your thoughts and feelings. By practicing mindfulness and presence, you become more aware of your thoughts and beliefs, allowing you to release any limiting or negative ones that may hinder the manifestation of your desires. This helps you surrender more deeply to the law of assumption, becoming more in tune with your true desires and beliefs. Embrace the energy of your desires. Fully embracing the energy of your desires entails immersing yourself in the sensations and feelings associated with your desired outcome. Allow yourself to believe in its reality. By doing this, you plant the seed of your desire in your subconscious mind, setting the necessary actions and circumstances into motion that will bring your dream to life. Release any doubts or fears. Surrendering requires letting go of any doubts or fears that may impede the manifestation of your desires. Release any negative thoughts or beliefs holding you back and fully surrender to the power of the law of assumption. Remember, the law of assumption operates at a deep subconscious level, shaping our experiences and determining the outcomes we encounter. Be mindful of your thoughts and beliefs, consciously align yourself with the reality you desire, and make a conscious effort to embrace the power of assumption. The power of the law of assumption is truly limitless, and the only thing standing between you and your deepest desires is your own willingness to embrace its power. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of the law of assumption and how you can harness its power to bring your dreams to life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on self-improvement, manifestation, and spirituality.